make it dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think
Hi, and thank you so much for joining me for today's craft. The items that you're going to be using today are a pair of scissors, permanent marker, a heart cardboard cutout. The material you're going to use for your pillow today, I decided to use fleece, and lots of stuffing for your pillow. I just used an old pillow that I had on hand and took the stuffing out. Let's start. The first thing you're going to do is take your cardboard and your marker and draw the size of your heart. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to take your scissors and cut out your heart. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your material. Again, I use this beautiful rose pattern that I got at Walmart, made of fleece. And you're going to take your heart cut out and you're going to use that as your template. And you want to make sure that you have at least 2 inches of material on the outside of your heart. That's what you're going to use to cut, because later when you cut inside of your material, you're going to tie the 2 pieces together, and you want to make sure you have enough room. This is the heart that I had already previously made. I took my cardboard cutout. I cut around it with my scissors. Remember, 2 inches from the edge. You want to have plenty of room, so when you go ahead and you cut your fringes, you have enough room to tie them. You want to make sure that you also have an opening that's large enough for you to reach your hand in when you put your pillow stuffing inside. So right now I'm taking the stuffing that I had from an old pillow and I'm placing it inside the opening of the pillow that I just made. When you cut your fringes, make sure that you use those 2 extra inches from your cardboard cutout to your material. That's what you're going to be using to cut your fringes. And you want to make sure that you leave at least about 1/2 inch space in between. That should give you plenty of room to be able to tie your front and your back material together. Make sure that you put enough stuffing in there to really fill your pillow. This is also a really neat craft for young children to do. When you have your pillow all stuffed and fluffed, go ahead and take the 2 fringes from the front and from the back and just tie them together. And you're going to continue to tie them until your pillow is closed.
Dance when you're drunk with your friends at a party.
And there you go. There's your heart pillow.
When you close your eyes, tell me, what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know